Alright guys, you replace guys your AC compressor, the pump, but your car guys is still too low. Like you used to go to the front side, the rear side too is low guys. I'm just going to show you the culprit which might be causing this problem. So guys, after changing this compressor guys, the car doesn't still move up, and then when you get close to the compressor in the engine guys, the compressor is not making any noise, it's not starting up. So guys, I'm just going to show you the culprit and how to fix it up and how to get your car guys raised up enough to drive away. All right, let's start it up. So first things first, you open guys your hood. Open your hood. When you open your hood guys, you come right here guys, this right here, this is a fuse box. So before we proceed, you just open this right here, open like that, and you take it out and you lift like that. You put this on the side. So guys, the culprit guys causing all this problem is this 1, 2, number 3, this relay right here. So let me shut down the engine because I got a new one. So guys, when I got the air compressor, I got this relay right here. So we have to remove this green right here guys, and then we replace with this one. And then guys, our compressor is going to start up, and then our car is going to be raised, and then guys, it's going to fix the problem. Alright, so first things first, you just come right here, you just take this like this guys, just pull it out. Just put it out of the way. And then another thing guys, I'm going to show you this, you check this right here. This is the fuse guys for the compressor. If there's one which is blown out, then that might be guys the cause, which is making the compressor not to start up. So what we do guys, because of this relay, you take this one which is here, and then guys you compare. The relay might be bad, so let's put them together guys, and then make sure they have the same features. So guys, this one looks exactly the same as this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to like insert this one in. So that's what I'm going to do. So right here, yeah, it's gonna be like that. Sure. And I'm going to push in. So let it sit all the way in, and then this should be able to work. And then guys, I'm going to start the car. Alright guys, we start our car, and then we turn on the compressor. Then we go and check if it's running. And guys, you can hear the compressor is making noise. Guys, that's how you fix a compressor that does not start. And then guys, you see the car is going to lift up, then it's going to fix our problem. And I hope guys this really helps you out as you fix your compressor that doesn't start.